This is a very old bulldozer or excavator or whatever gaming PC. It has a latest generation FX 6-core processor and the GTX 660 graphics card here, and 12 gigs of DDR3, a really powerful power supply like 650 watts, and very efficient like 85 plus. And yeah, I put in a heat pipe cooler here. This wasn't in there. It had a stock cooler, but I want to mount this. I want to use this. I mean, it's an Arctic Freezer AMD version. It's a really old one, and I want to mount a new AMD stock fan on it because this has temperature control, and then this can be silent when not a lot of cooling is needed. But I don't have the mounting brackets or stuff. I believe this was plastic and it grabbed onto these little things here. Wedges, what do you call them? So I don't have that. And I want to improvise something, and I'm going to use hot glue. Then we'll see how that turns out. For that I need to remove the graphics card. The socket is grabbing onto it. Okay, let's push the lever. Take out the graphics card. And maybe clean it a bit. Nah, maybe not. Let's just leave it like that. The heat gun is already, the hot glue gun is heating up. Let's see how it will look. So I will probably block that hole, the screw. I will block it if I mount it here. So, but you can always remove the cooler by unscrewing just the other one. So, no, not a big loss. So, what I plan to do is put hot glue in the holes and then it grabs onto the fins. But now that I think about it, maybe I can hot glue it all around, because airflow doesn't need to come back here. I can block it here, it's no problem. So, yeah, why not? More hot glue. Can I reach I can't reach the lower part very easily. So first I'll mount the top, and then I will see how I can reach the lower half. Yeah. So that's the position, and let's see. Oh boy, I need to put in a new stick. And let's go on. Like that. Did you all imagine doing it like this? Kind of a noob solution, but I think this will work. Work. Okay, so now it's already staying on really nicely. That's interesting. But I didn't go deep enough here. Maybe just reheat it a bit. It didn't go between the fins like I would like. I can't reach. Yeah, I just put some wherever I can. like that. Not ideal, but I don't think I care. Maybe I care because I will sell this computer, but yeah, this is mostly fine. Yeah, it's stuck in there. I mean, stuck on. So who's going to complain? Oh yeah, maybe the customer. But other than that, it's good. As long as the processor doesn't heat up to melt the glue, I think this is fine. So let's test it. Let's test the speed. I mean the noise. Where did I put the power cable? I need a power cable. And maybe a power outlet. Let's just plug it in like that. It's plugged in. Turn it on. Yes, I think. And the reset button will start the... No? What's happening here? Oh, I didn't put in the... Oh boy. Yeah, let's put the reset switch here instead of the power switch, because I don't have a power switch. So let's start it. Oh, this is how you turn off the power supply. Yeah, I get it now. Now it should be good. It's silent. It's good. It's blowing out air, and the hot air will be blown out by this giant fan in the power supply. So it's fine. Let's turn it off. I say let's turn it off. Okay, this is fine. Let's put the graphics card back in and let's see how silent it is. I know the graphics card adds a lot of noise, but yeah, I would just want to see. Let's put in one screw. Like that. And let's see. Turn it on. And oh yeah, the hard drive. That's the loudest. But this seems okay. This seems fine. I'll have to test it, of course. But yeah. This is just fine. Okay, maybe I'll do some more videos about this system, benchmark it and stuff.